What's going on, guys, and welcome to another episode of Amazing A-Frames. And this week is super loaded. I got so many hats on my table here that I can show off this week, and that's exactly what I promised over the last weeks, because some of the deliveries had delays and now everything is in here. And I would say, without further ado, let's do this, what we like most, showing off caps and talking about caps. And I would like to start with two minor league hats because I absolutely like how they came out. No side patch, super clean black A-frame truckers. And this is the first one, the Reyes. And with the golden tooth, it came out so good. And I was thinking, like, more and more people were asking if we can have more minor league logos also on A-frames, and this is exactly what we did, because I think those logos are super cool. And I mean, come on, for summertime, this is a perfect hat, right? Same with this one, the Goodhats Stripers, and you also have here the stripers in blue in the front, gives it more like a summer touch. Black snap on the back, and then black soft trucker mesh, and this looks really good. And those logos, come on, they are really different. And if you have a hat like this, you probably one of those guys who have, like, not a hat which everyone has, right? Because they are not only limited because we are not producing that much of them, but they are also like a very unique logo. So this is the start. We start with two truckers without any side patches. Now let's go to some chrome domes. Then I also have NHL hats for you, and so to give you a little bit of an outlook, we will also get more and more 950 A-frames for you guys. So red bottoms, I got two red bottoms for you today. The first one is this beautiful Houston Astros with the red star in the front, and then you got some metallic details here on the 40th anniversary side patch, chrome and black. A lot of you guys are asking for that, and this looks even better if you put a red UV below that. So this is absolutely amazing. And then there's a second one, and I wanted to make it a little bit more special this time with white guts, because some of you guys were also asking if we can have white guts on the chrome domes. And here is everything blacked out instead of the maple leaf. So beautiful hat. Then you got another one on the side. This pops off really good on this chrome. So can you see that? I mean, you can see all the details, even though it's like the same thread all over the logo. Beautiful hat. Also red UV, black snap on the back. These are the two red UVs that we are dropping this week. So let's go a little bit further ahead, because we have really different stuff this week. So, Team USA. I mean, who does not remember these logos? Who does not remember the Dream Team? And we already had this on 5950s, and so I said we need to bring that back, because this is such a great logo, such a great hat. We have to bring it back on 940 A-frames, and that's exactly what we did. The first one, Team USA, with the USA script, gray UV, black guts. You got a navy crown and red button visor. So this is the first one. And the second one, I mean, let me know in the comments below which one you like more, because I was just thinking about that when I showed off the hat. If I had to choose, and this is very tough, so I'm showing you first the second hat, is this one. And it would be very tough for me to choose one of these two. But maybe you can let me know in the comment below which one would you choose. And I would like, oh my god, this is a really tough decision. I have both as a fitted too, but I would probably go with this one. Because this is, it's very tough, but I'd probably go with the script instead of this one. But both are fantastic hats. So if I had to choose, I would take both. Then the decision is quite easy, right? So I got two more chrome two-tones for you guys. And this time they are so very clean, because you were asking if we can also bring like the regular logos on chrome domes. So we got the Chicago White Sox, with the Comiskey Park side patch, and this time you got a Kelly green UV to make it even more throwback, and you cannot go more throwback than this red with the Kelly green UV, black guts, and you got a black snap on the back. That's the first one. And the second one, before we come to a very special collection, is the Detroit Tigers, and this time this is navy, the button and the visor. The logo is also navy, very dark. Then you got the Comerica side patch, and you got also this navy snap on the back, gray UV, beautiful head. I mean, you cannot go wrong with these classics, and both of them have the larger logos in the front as you guys requested. And this is something I would like to tell you again. I already said it like hundreds of times, but for me, it's very important that we listen to you guys, what you would like to see, right? And our community is the best community on this planet. So that's the reason why we are doing all that stuff. And we really like to work with your feedback, because this is very important for us. And this does not only mean which heads do you want. If you see something that's probably not working like expected, right? If there's some issues on the site or whatever it is, always let us know, because this is the only way we can get better, okay? So, this next collection is really, really cool. You guys asked, and now we brought the Peach UV also to the 940 A-frame, and I would like to start with this beauty. And this is such a nice colorway because it's oceanside blue together with peach, and this works absolutely great with the gold. And then you got the peach again also in the front logo. And look at this, how nice is this color combo? Oh my god, I really like how this came out. Inaugural season, huge fantastic side patch, lot of details. And then you also got in the same color the snap, and as I already said, peach UV, black guts, beautiful head. This is the first one of 3 that I did. The second one is this beauty, Anaheim Angels. Also here you got 2 different peach tones here in the front. I hope you can see that. If I'm turning that around, you can see it in hand. It looks so good. And then you got this metallic gold, and you got the All-Star Game side patch. In my opinion, this side patch has not been used lately that much. Very underrated. I absolutely love it. We should bring it more often, that's for sure. And this golden details make it pop even better. Peach UV also on this beauty. And now, probably my favorite out of the pack. Again, the Toronto Blue Jays today. And look at this, how this came out with the peach in the back. These 2 different tones of blue. Oh my god, they look so great. And then the red pops off really good. So this is a little bit different than on the other hats, because we kept the red in here. You also have the peach on the side patch, super shiny, and peach UV, and also here same color snapback off the head. These are the 3 Oceanside Blue peach combos. Let me know in the comments what you think about those. So, more and more people asking me, Pat, can you bring over more 950 A-frames? Of course. And we are starting with a range of very classic hats, and I want to show off 4 of them today, because all of them are absolutely great. And there's something more I would like to tell you, because the 950 A-frame is not that heavy curved, for example, like a 940 A-frame, okay? So, not a problem. If a visor is already pre-curved, like you can see here, it's already pre-curved. It's much easier to bend, much easier to curve for you guys. So when you get it out of the box, you don't even need a streamer to make it more like curved. And I like that on this silhouette, to be honest, because not everybody wants to have a heavy curve, but if you prefer one, you can make it easy out of the box. So, Boston Red Sox, super classic, All-Star Game, 99, navy, gray UV, black guts, absolute classic one. That's the first one. The second one, Los Angeles Dodgers with the white pin on the top, like the on-field LA logo in the front. And then you got a very special Tokyo Series side patch. You got also here royal blue. All these snaps are in this head colors. Beautiful gray UV, black guts. Next one, not all of them because this one is different because it's a two-tone. So we got my favorite team, the New York Mets, 40th anniversary side patch. Then you got the outline New York Mets logo in the front, classic two-tone, pops off really good. And then you got here the royal snap on the black crown. This goes so well together with this two-tone. Gray UV, black guts, and last but not least, if you're talking about classics, you need to have this hat, right? I mean, come on. Chicago White Sox, all black, this time World Series 2005. Side patch, black snap, gray UV, black guts. So that's it for this week, and always watch out because we have a lot of restocks coming in too. So check the site every day and see what's new, and there are tons of new hats like always at Topperzstore and Topperzstore USA. So let me know in the comments below what were your favorite hats of this week, and if you have not subscribed to the channel so far, please hit the subscribe button. It's totally free and you can join the greatest hat community on this planet. And if you like the video, of course, hit the like button. I would like to thank you guys very much for tuning in, and I hope to see you again next Sunday here on the channel for my top 5 fitted hats of the week from Topperzstore and Topperzstore USA as well. I hope to see you guys also on Monday in our weekly live stream on YouTube, and I hope you can enjoy the rest of your week. Thank you very much for your support. Thank you very much for watching. I'm out. Bye.